11th, Problems on Measurement. Introduction. In this chapter, we will solve some different types of mathematics quotient explanation. We use the units meter, gram and liter every day to measure length, mass and capacity respectively. While shopping, we use the units rupees and paise. We use units like days, hours and minutes to measure time. Let us see how to carry out basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division using these units of measurement. Example 4. If one dress requires 3 meter 25 centimeter of cloth, how much do 4 dresses need? Manju's method: 3 meter 25 centimeter plus 3 meter 25 centimeter plus 3 meter 25 centimeter plus 3 meter 25 centimeter equals to 12 meter 100 centimeter. For the first dress, for the second dress, for the third dress, for the fourth dress. Kunal's method: 3 meter 25 centimeter into 4 is equals to 12 meter 100 centimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter, therefore 12 plus 1 equals to 13 centimeter. 12 meter 100 centimeter is equals to 13 meter. Example 5. If a wire that is 9 meter 50 centimeter long is cut into pieces of 5 centimeter each, how many pieces will be made? 9 meter 50 centimeter equals to 900 plus 50 centimeter. To find out how many pieces of 5 centimeter can be made from a wire 950 centimeter long, let us use division. 190 pieces will be made.